Good day sa'yo! Ito pa yung mga messages na sobrang nakaka-motivate to continue what I'm doing. Nakaka-inspired nga po ang mga video nyo. Sobrang napaka-responsive nyo sa mga questions. Thank you po ulit at kayo po ang magiging inspiration. I was inspired by you po kasi 5 years ka na sa kanila. Thank you po, napaka-supportive nyo po sa mga applicants kagaya ko. Thank you po sa response and sa mga tips. Laking tulong po. Grabe, di ko akalain na magiging source of inspiration pala yung mga videos na ginagawa ko. So I have here a message from one of the aspiring VAs who DM'd me last time asking for assistance with her application at my Outdesk. So, sabi niya, nakaka-inspired nga po ang mga video nyo, especially sa part na nag-start ka pa lang at wala ka pang magandang workstation. Nakaka-inspired po yun. Sana marami pa kayo matulungan. Sobrang napaka-responsive nyo sa mga questions. Thank you po ulit at kayo po ang magiging inspiration. Ayan. So, thank you. Actually, even if nung nagpahinga ako during my first trimester, and I'm really not feeling well dahil sobrang sela nung pagbubuntis ko, I'm still answering questions, even if I'm not uploading any videos during that time. Dahil itong post na to, it keeps on trending from time to time. So, ang dami nagpo-profile views, and ang dami nagdi-DM on how to apply sa my Outdesk, and I'm still guiding them. I actually told this person na nung nag-a-apply kasi ako sa mod, as in wala akong malapitan, wala akong kakilala, and wala akong idea. So I know the feeling na ang daming questions, tas walang makasagot. Kaya, I'm just paying forward and trying to answer all your questions about being a VA and guide you with your application with mod. And I'm happy I'm able to help them and, you know, inspire them, motivate them na kaya nila during interviews. And sabi ko nga, regardless kung magkaroon ako ng referral bonus or wala, kasi sometimes those who are reaching out to me have already passed the interview, but I still assist them and answer all their questions. So, regardless kung may pala ako or wala, hindi naman ako namimili ng taong sasagutin ko yung mga questions. And ito pa yung mga messages na sobrang nakaka-motivate to continue what I'm doing. Ito, nakapasa na siya before niya ako ma-DM. And napanood niya lang yung mga videos ko. And yun yung naging guide niya. So, di niya na ako matag as referral. Pero, we're still chatting. And I believe I was able to answer all her questions. Sabi niya, just got hired po after 4 rejections. Sabi ko, wow, so happy for ya. Medyo nasad daw siya kasi pang 5 niya ng interview. Kala niya wala na daw talaga. So, I just told her, okay lang yan, everything happens for a reason. And then, she just thanked me. Yes po, thanks sa vlogs and pag-answer sa Q&As. Here's another one. Thanks for your help and sa response. Napaka-approachable. Yes po, I'll update here. From another person, I was inspired by you po kasi 5 years ka na sa kanila. Yeah, going 5 this year. Grabe. Same client yun, ah. Hopefully, we remain strong ng client ko. Tama po kayo. Thank you po. Napaka-supportive nyo po sa mga applicants kagaya ko. Another aspiring VA said, thank you po sa response and sa mga tips. Laking tulong po. Another one, hi po, na-inspire po ako sa mga videos nyo. Nag-start lang din po ako maghanap ng VA work. Grabe, di ko akalain na magiging source of inspiration pala yung mga videos na ginagawa ko. And I hope we still grow. We are currently 1,048 sa TikTok and then magwa 1,000 na rin tayo sa Facebook. We really are growing and I hope na mas marami pa akong ma-reach na aspiring VAs to help them and motivate them, inspire them, and finally land their own client. Kasi it's very fulfilling, especially kung makakabasa ka ng mga kind words from these people na nagre-reach out. So please continue to follow me here on Abby's Prime channel, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. So there, I'll be back soon in answering and posting videos about FAQs and my out-test guidelines for application. Medyo busy lang tayo ngayon dahil meron tayong upcoming event, ang gender reveal at ang 5th birthday ng aking panganay. And then, I'll be back into creating content. So, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you all. Again, my name is Abby Villanueva, your social media educator about being a VA. Blessings!